This is mist ceiling design idea for living and bedroom design. As you can see the good design. You can contact us for your project. This is very nice design for your bedroom and living room. You can contact us on 080 6309 8718. Very nice design. Check it out. This is lovely and unique design for your bedroom. You can contact us for your project. This ceiling fan can work on this type of ceiling. As you can see, let me on it. Check it out. It will work perfectly on gypsum ceiling. Can check it out. It's working. Can give you guarantee on this type of ceiling. When you give your work to a professional, this is the results. Thank you. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.